Hi, today we are going to discuss about stack. Stack class in Java is indeed as a child class of the vector class and is designed to represent a last in first out. So basically stack uses the concept called last in first out. So now stack is a constructor which creates a empty stack. The methods are push, it pushes an item onto the top of the stack. So here we are having a parameter object item. So next pop, it removes the object at the top of the stack and returns that object as the value of the function. Next method is peek, it looks the object top of the stack without removing it from the stack. Empty, tests if stack is empty or not. So next one is search, having a parameter object o. It searches for a specified object in the stack and returns its position relative to the top of the stack. So if it returns -1, the object is not found. Implementing the stack program. So here, in order to implement, here we are using a particular type of a data called linked list. So here we have used a linked list and we have specified LL as an object equal to new linked list of the particular collection. So now it can able to store the number of integer objects as specified by an array. So here the size is not specified, so it can add as many number of items to the stack. So now here by using a linked list, so we have added by using a object ll. So ll dot add first, so 10 will be added in the particular stack. So for example, this is the stack and you are going to insert 10, 20, 30 and 40. So here you are going to add the elements. So first 10 will be inserted. So next you are going to insert the 20. Next you are going to insert the 30 and next you are going to insert the value 40. It means 40 will be at the top of the stack. So here it will be, you can call the stack tab. So now here if you want to print the particular items in the particular one, so system.out.println, so you are going to print the all the elements which is inside the particular stack. So next if you want to pop out, so here which one will be popped out. So 40 will be popped out first. So next 30 will be popped second. So next 20 will be popped at third and 10 will be popped at next level. So it means, so from the top you are going to remove the elements. It means last in first out. So what will happen? So 40, next 30, next 20, next 10. So this will be popped from the stack. Let's try executing this program. So now it has shown, so 40 is popped and 30, 20 and 10. So these are the popped elements from the stack. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.